Sawhorses are a type of support used to elevate and stabilize materials while cutting or working on them. They consist of 4 legs and a top surface that can be made of wood, metal, plastic, or other materials. The legs are typically angled outward to provide stability, and the top surface may have notches or other features to hold materials securely in place. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Keter Folding Sawhorse for Miter Saw Stand. The tools we have reviewed so far have come with excellent features, and the Keter Folding Sawhorse continues the tradition. It might be a lightweight option, but you better believe that it can hold up to punishment. This slight-looking sawhorse with its spindly legs can easily hold jobs that weigh up to 1,000 pounds. When converted to a work table, it can hold around 400 pounds. It is definitely an excellent sawhorse table. It delivers a workspace area larger than some of the spaces provided by others on the market. Aside from 33.5 x 21.75 of workspace, this tool also has another storage space to keep any accessories and other tools. The design enhances the ease of use. While it is lightweight and easy to carry about, it is also helped by the quick open feature. This feature, coupled with the low weight, makes it easy to store. Aside from the features listed above, a major reason why we love this option is that the clamping options are quite varied. For example, it has a pair of squeeze clamps that let you work more conveniently. There is also a carrying handle that makes transportation even easier. Number 2. Rockwell RK9003 Sawhorse. The next option on the list is a versatile sawhorse from Rockwell. Rockwell, just as jeweled, is a known name in the tool industry. Unlike regular sawhorses, this unique tool comes with a tripod build that makes it more versatile than others you might find. Due to the tripod build, you can place this sawhorse on uneven ground without fearing falls. As if that isn't enough, the legs can be nailed into the ground. Hence, for outdoor uses, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better option on the market. Aside from the impressive outdoor applications, this sawhorse can carry weights of up to 600 pounds with ease. While that isn't as strong as our top pick, it is still a decent amount. The sawhorse is constructed from steel, which makes it very durable and ensures that it will last for a long time. As you work on the sawhorse, you can also use it as a saw table. It carries your projects easily, no matter the angle you like. To ensure that your project remains neat and without scratches, this sawhorse comes with padded jaws. It weighs about 45 pounds, which makes it far heavier than our top pick. However, this means that it can take a greater amount of punishment. Number 3. Worx WX051 Folding Sawhorse. This roundup is largely made up of products from some of the best manufacturers in the tool industry, and Worx is one of these top-rated manufacturers. The Worx Pegasus WX051 is a sawhorse that delivers excellent performance and durability. It is one of the most versatile options that we tested so far and that you will find on the market. While there are other options that can carry a larger amount of weight and load than the WX051, not many can boast of some of its features. For example, it comes with a 25x31 surface, which is large enough for most projects. However, even if you feel that you need more space for your project, this sawhorse lets you join another work table. It also comes at a height of 32, which lets most people work without having terrible backaches. As you work, the 18.5 bar clamps will hold your project down and create a stable working surface. To ensure minimal movement as you drill, cut, saw, or nail, the legs of the sawhorse come with a locking mechanism as well. It weighs 30 pounds, which is relatively lightweight and means you can carry it around and store it with some ease. Number 4. Worx WX065 Sawhorse. The Worx WX065 Sawhorse is another top-rated sawhorse that comes with almost all you need from such a tool. This model is a pair of sawhorses and comes with several design features that make it a very versatile option. For instance, it features cord hooks, a tool shelf for keeping things, and bar clamps. Although it isn't made from solid steel or similar material and is from thermoplastic polymer, it still has decent strength and lasts under pressure. The cord hooks might seem flimsy, but they serve a very important purpose. If you as a DIYer use the tools as a work table, you will like the cord hooks as they make your work faster and easier. These tools are built to complete different types of home projects with remarkable ease. As you work, the clamps help to keep your materials firm and stable. If you have a hard time assembling stuff, then you will enjoy this particular model. It comes fully assembled, and you can get started with them as quickly as possible. After your work is done, the detachable nature of the Sawhorse means you can decouple it and store it easily. All these nice features come at a low price, and the product has a warranty period of up to 3 years. Number 5. Black & Amp Keter WM125 Sawhorse. If you are into woodwork, or you are a tool user of some experience, you might have wondered if any Black & Decker product was going to show up on this list. Well, you won't be disappointed. The WM125 Sawhorse from this company is one of the best buys you can get on the market today. For folks looking for a cheap Sawhorse that comes in a lightweight build but will still stand up to abuse and last for a long time, then this is a top option. It is a highly versatile tool, which, considering the low price, makes it an excellent value buy. It comes in a design that makes it easy to move around and store. When not used, the flat folding design makes it fit the tiniest of spaces easily. And while it doesn't cost much, the durable steel frame means that it is more durable than expected. The parts are built to be practical and relatively durable. It comes with jaws that are designed to be warp resistant, and that can hold workpieces of irregular shapes. Number 6. Tough Built TB C550 Folding Sawhorse. The last option on our list of the best Sawhorse is this folding Sawhorse. Tough Built prides itself on durable tools that will last for a long time, and this option is one of its best products. It is a very versatile option that lets you use a pair of 2x4s as table supports. It supports the most amount of weight of all our options on this list. At 2,200 pounds carrying capacity, this bad boy can survive almost anything that you throw at it. The problem we have with this product is that you cannot adjust the height. Portable and strong, you will definitely enjoy using this Sawhorse.